let's say you've written all the drafts, you've written 20 drafts, you've written and revised, and now you're at 35 and you're saving them all on the cloud and looking at the new dates on them and the new things that you've added. And you've revised and revised, and you're so close to this novel. You're just so close that you're not able to get a grasp on what needs to happen to fix it. In that case, you're probably going to want to look at one of our very intense novel workshops, like our whole novel workshops, our novel writing with Patty Gouch, or our From Premise to Pitch workshop. In both the whole novel and in From Premise to Pitch, you have to have a finished novel. It needs to be finished from beginning to end. The novel has probably been with you a while, and now you're kind of thinking about how do I make it better? What do I need to do? Because I'm so close. I'm just turning the dial on it a little bit, and I need a full turn. At the whole novel, you receive that whole novel critique. You have a critique from one of the 5 mentors that we feel is best matched with the story that you're writing. You get to workshop pages with Rob Costello and Nicole Valentine in their Brain Trust. You have writing activities that start your day. You have time to work on revision. You have one-to-one meetings with mentors. You talk about submissions. You talk about goal setting for the next book. It really is a high-level look at your novel as it's ready to go out into the world. And if you've taken any one of the novel workshops that I've talked about already, and you've revised so much on your own, this is the one. This is the one that you're looking for. It is an application-based class. And what you want to do is submit the project that is going to be the one that you're working on. Sometimes we have friends who submit a different project and then say, oh, you know, I'd really like to work on this one. Submit the project that you want your mentors to see and know that this is the one that you're needing the most help with during that whole novel course. We have opportunities for 20 writers to take our general middle grade and YA whole novel course. And we have an opportunity for 16 total students to take our Writing the Unreal whole novel course. And again, that one's broken up into 8 people come in May and 8 people come in October. For that middle grade and YA whole novel, we have all 20 people come in August with all of the mentors. But check out the application for those. The application windows are far in advance of when the workshop actually starts. Another one that I mentioned kind of for that moving toward that submission end would be From Premise to Pitch. And that is a new workshop this year where you'll meet with agents and an editor, and you'll look at your synopsis. You'll look at all the novel components. You'll talk about the pitch, and you're trying to assess whether or not the story really is ready to go out on submission. And you might find during this workshop, yes, you are ready. You're going to design these last few items that will go out with your submission packet. Yes, it's ready. Or you might find, oh, I'm missing some really important craft components and I need to go back. This might be a good opportunity to come to a revision workshop or another workshop that's specifically working on, let's say, plot. If you're meeting with the agents and they're saying, you know, the structure just isn't there, the plot components just aren't there, you might want to take a workshop and find out more about plot itself.